What is up, guys? It is Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel for 31 days of FLUTIEWEEN. I am super excited about today's look. This is literally one of my favorite ones, and I'm posting it kind of early for you guys, so I hope you like it. You probably saw who it was in the beginning, but if you don't know who it is, it's Wednesday Addams, one of my favorites. So before we jump into it, just give it a little like, subscribe. Definitely want to turn on those notifications because I have videos all month long. So let's just jump into it. Alright, so I actually made the little prop with a hot sauce bottle and some green paint. And first things first, you know the drill, we gotta glue down the eyebrows, but only one this time. Next, we're using some liquid latex because I wanted to kind of create the illusion of like the skin ripping open. So we're just placing that down, and then you do have to wait for it to dry. So there is some downtime, or you just get a blow dryer. So while I'm letting like the first layers dry, I'm just gonna start painting the clothes. So I'm taking some water-based face paint and just painting the collar. Then I'm adding more latex as it dries. So just, you know, trying to save some time. So add more layers. You really want it to build up so you can like kind of rip it away. Alright, so let's take some black and we're just filling in her outfit. Her outfit's pretty easy, actually it's just black and white, so you can literally do this with whatever products you have at home. And I had to paint both of my arms with black paint, so that was fun to take off. And now I'm ripping away the latex. Be very careful with this, seriously, like seriously. And I'm just using some tweezers and a little tool to kind of rip it away because I wanted her neck to be cut open a little bit. It wasn't really working, so I used scissors, but I really don't recommend it. Yeah, I definitely don't recommend it on the face, so that's why I'm using that little tool. And then I had to cut the chin as I'm saying that, so powder the latex because it is kind of sticky. And then now we're just gonna take some white cream paint, and I know her skin isn't like totally white, but I just wanted it to be as pale as possible, especially when you see what's on the other side. Do the neck, make sure you powder it. So we're taking Ben Nye and we're gonna do a little shading with this gray color right here. I'm taking the Kat Von D Super Brow Pomade. This is amazing. It's in graphite. She does have black hair, so I'm just trying to make my eyebrow black. And now just doing like a black and white smoky eye look, but you can really just do whatever. Just blending that out with gray and really just darkening it, and it's not too hard. Just add a shimmer on top, like it's pretty quick. Do a little mascara, and then we're taking these amazing lashes from Eldora, like literally my favorite lashes, and I'm not just saying that. It's not sponsored. Be cool if it was though. Anyways, just do the lash line underneath and smoke that out. I really wanted her to look pretty fierce. And now I'm just overlining the lips a lot and using a black lipstick. Alright, now we're starting on the fun parts. So it's gonna be a half skull because don't I always? And like you guys know, if you watched my other video, I always start with the teeth just so I can kind of like map out where everything is gonna go. So like you see, I just map everything out and then I start filling it in with white. I just find that easier than filling in the whole thing white and then mapping everything out. Alright, then next step, you just start shading and shading and shading for a very long time. You gotta be patient with this stuff and just keep building layers up. So I'm using that same bentonite shadow and just shading with black and gray. It does seem like a lot, so just take your time. I usually start off with the lighter color first, gray, and then you can start darkening the really dark parts, but it's easier to darken than to take it off. So I definitely recommend starting with a lighter shade. And then here, as you see, I'm just like starting to slowly darken everything. And usually I use a reference photo, just like a real skull, so that does make it a little easier to see where everything should be shaded. And then also shade the collar of her shirt because, you know, normal clothing has like indentations and everything, so you definitely want to add that. And now we're outlining the teeth, which is my favorite part. It starts really coming together right here. So just start filling that in with that black face paint. And filling everything is seriously my favorite part. Like, it doesn't really look like a skull to me until that part is finished. And now the highlights, which is my other favorite part, I guess. So that's when everything really starts to pop. I definitely recommend just looking at a reference photo and seeing where everything has like a little highlight. Now we're taking the Suva Beauty Hydra liner. I love this. Thanks to my sister for getting it for me for Christmas. Because, you know, she has like the little poison bottle, so I wanted it to be like the poison's pouring out of her face, sort of. So I'm just going like underneath the latex and just filling that in. And then the fun part of doing a million dots on her shirt. Now I'm making it drip out of her neck. So I actually was dripping it and it got pretty messy, but I mean, I think it's better than like drawing out the drip. Like, let it be natural, you know? Now her hairline has like a massive widow's peak, so I'm trying to add that in. There you go! Oh my god, I'm seriously so excited about this look. I really hope you guys like it. Obviously, I added the white contact. Like, that's probably the theme of this month, is that everyone's dead. So I really hope you guys like it. The little prop, I just cut out like a little piece of paper and tried to draw that on there. So yeah, if you did like it, please give it a like, a subscribe, turn on the notifications. You really don't want to miss a video this month. I'm doing a ton of giveaways. I know I keep saying that, but like, I'm just waiting for the end of the month to really pile them on for you guys. So yeah, I appreciate you guys subscribing, leaving the nice comments and everything. I really do. If you want to see all the photos of these looks, check out my Instagram, and weird, super weird videos, fun stuff on TikTok for sure. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.